These channels get millions of views and make between 10K to 50K a month.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
From YouTube. And all they do is post scary stories. Not just these channels, a lot of faceless channels as well. Today we'll make a faceless YouTube channel using 100% free AI tools. Let's jump right in. Go to youtube.com. Click sign in and create a new Gmail account. Fill in the details and complete the sign up. Once you're logged in, click on your profile and create channel. While your channel is being created, go to YouTube Studio. Then click on customization and then basic info. We need a channel name, a username, and description. We'll use ChatGPT, a free AI tool, to get some channel name suggestions and description. We'll ask ChatGPT to give us 10 unique scary channel names for YouTube. Choose a name. It may need some tweaking. Do the same for the description. Copy and paste the description. Now click on branding. Oh shoot. We need a profile picture and a banner. We'll use Bluewillow, a free AI image generator as good as Mid-Journey for the images. Go to Bluewillow.ai and click on Join the Discord server. Accept your invite and login. Once in, go to the sidebar and scroll down to reveal the rookie servers and click on one. Now, type /imagine and enter your prompt for image generation. I already got a profile photo above, so I'm generating images for a banner image. Upscale the images by clicking U1, U2, etc., and then download your preferred images to be used as a banner. To create the banner, head over to canva.com and select the YouTube banner template. Go to the search and look for the best sample. Click to drop it on your canvas, then tweak the photo to your liking. Now drag and drop your generated images from Bluewillow. Adjust the images and add a text layer with your channel name if you want. Once you're done, click download. Now go back to your channel and upload your banner and profile photos and hit publish. Click on your channel. Looking mighty sexy, don't you think? Now let's look at our competition for video ideas. Head back to ChatGPT and ask for a 4-minute video script in the first-person perspective for a scary video about wandering to an abandoned mansion. It gave me an amazing story. Now we need a narrator. Copy your generated story and head over to 11 Labs. This is the best text-to-speech generator in the market right now. They have pricing from $5 to $22, and you can also get 80% off for the starter pack, which makes it $1. But you can also use it for free. You can choose between the list of available voices. You can edit these voices or create a custom one by clicking Add Voice and follow the instructions. Now copy and paste your story from ChatGPT and select your preferred voice. Click on Generate. It takes seconds to generate. The atmosphere here is eerie, to say the least. Once you're done, hit the download icon on the lower right. Now you have a state-of-the-art narrator under your hoodie. Head over to Bluewillow and generate matching images for your storyline. You don't have to, but I am for this tutorial. Generate as much as you want and go over to YouTube to search for a spooky copyright-free music. Once you get the one you want, click on Share to copy the link and paste it over on this website to download. Now drag your narrated story audio from 11 Labs and images from Bluewillow alongside that spooky track and dump them in your video editor. Arrange the images to match the video as thou pleasest and blend in thy spooky music in the background. The atmosphere here is eerie, to say the least. The wind whispers through the trees and the crunching of leaves beneath my feet echoes in the silence. It feels like I've entered a different world altogether. Wow. Once you're done, export the video and head to YouTube to upload your content. On YouTube, click on the camera icon and hit Upload Video. Drag and drop your video to upload. Add a title and head over to ChatGPT to get the video description as always. I asked ChatGPT to write me a 1,000-character video description for the story it generated above. Copy and paste that. Once you're done, complete the upload details and hit publish. Remember to stay consistent, and you'll surely get those views. Remember, YouTube isn't one-click success, but you can make the process easy by using AI tutorials you learned from How to AI in 4 Minutes. Subscribe for more How to AI videos.